Hi everyone, welcome to another awesome edition of the Our Hollers and Healers interview. Today we have IT manager Naveen Kumar with us, and in this interview we're going to get into moving and understanding the transformation of Naveen and what he has gone through in this last 6 months after joining the self-healing challenge, right? And so this interview, let's dive into the transformation of Naveen. So Naveen, welcome to the Hall of Healers.
Hi Sachin. Hi Vic.
Yes, yes.
Hi.
So, Naveen, I'm really acknowledging your transformation here, what you have gone through. And let's understand from the beginning how it was for you, Naveen, before you actually came into the self-healing challenge, Naveen. Uh, what were your major challenges you were facing?
Okay. Sachin. In the month of December, I was diagnosed with peptic ulcer.
Peptic ulcer.
Peptic ulcer and a severe gastric issues
Okay.
and constipation. This gastric issue was there from past 2 3 years for me,
Okay.
and this was and somewhere after I got this peptic ulcer, there was a anxiety which has grown up in myself,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I was losing my self confidence.
Mm.
So these were the things which I was struggling when before I
Okay.
joined the self healing. And
So,
then yeah, Sachin.
yeah, so you were facing peptic ulcer, you were facing gastric anxiety. Yeah, go
Yes,
ahead.
that's it. That's it. Then on one sudden day, I saw your ad in I think Instagram. It was.
Okay, okay.
Uh, then um, then I took over and then I took your. They were the short version of your videos.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, our
I took
guide, yeah.
over. Yes. So I
Mm,
took those videos, and that was actually matching what I was suffering in those.
mm,
This was actually the thing. Then I thought I wanted to give a try with this, and then I joined your
mm.
uh,
So,
uh,
what made you
course.
trust us, Naveen?
Uh, the what I can say is the points in that videos, whatever I saw,
Okay.
it was exactly matching my issues, whatever I'm facing, Sachin.
Mm,
Whether my gut issues, whatever I'm facing, my lack of confidence, because
mm,
of my anxiety, all those things were there in me, was there. So that exactly you talked about it.
exactly.
And so initially I was very speculated and I was not knowing how it can go and
Mm.
all those things. But one good thing is I joined this program and everything changed.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Naveen, thanks for that. And I just want to shout out to my colleague also Vivek here. So that's what we do. Me, Vivek, the complete team of Self Healers Hub. That's what we do actually. We only work with working professionals who have this issue. All right.
Yeah.
So that's how the expertise is, and that's why you feel those points really spoke to you because that's our daily, that's what we wake up and do daily, right, Vivek?
Absolutely. I think,
Yeah,
it just proves the points that we've been able to articulate kind of issues where we're able to help, and people like Naveen have been able to connect exactly that, hey, this is what I'm facing, and are able to reach out to us for help.
exactly. So, I mean, let's look at some positives, man. In the last 5 6 months, what has transformed in your health?
Okay. Okay. The transformation is my acidity issues
Okay,
has been reduced. Okay.
okay.
And one major thing is because my sedative lifestyle.
Mm-hmm.
I
Sedentary
was not
lifestyle,
I was not doing any
physical
activities,
activity. Yeah.
physical activities. So with your encouragement, initially you told me to start 40 minutes a day.
Mm-hmm.
Now, actually, I'm doing 40 minutes in the morning and 40 minutes in the evening.
Awesome.
So that's doing very good. I think this has contributed my to get my acidity level down. Uh, and
Mm-hmm.
Your yoga nidra, my sleep was very disturbed.
Mm-hmm.
You have helped me to have a good sleep by yoga nidra,
Okay.
and also you're motivated me in many other things, Sachin. One is the meditations, and what other thing which is helping me out is writing out morning pages.
Okay.
Uh, and even the night, I call it as a grateful page because whatever I've done on that
Yeah.
particular day,
Nice.
I'm writing down that, and
Mm.
whenever I'm feeling self disturbed or something, I just
Yeah.
go over that so that my anxieties, everything will come down in that.
Awesome.
That's what I've that those are the positive things I've gone through in this program, Sachin.
Really positive what you said right now. Like, we can give the actions, right? But
Yeah.
you went up diligently did that, and that's why we have made this happen. I mean, right? And then, Naveen, I really acknowledge the transformations like acidity has gone down, anxiety has gone down, gastric has gone down, sleep has improved. And then, you're doing more physical activity. I think you would have lost some weight.
Yes, see, when I joined, it was somewhere around 89 kilos, but
Uh-huh.
right now I'm 86.2. Some
Nice.
uh, some 3 kilos have lost, Sachin.
Nice. Yeah. So I think, that's not, sustainable weight loss is there.
Yeah.
Fantastic, man. Fantastic. And more power to you, Naveen, on actually making this happen. So I want to ask you this, Naveen, like, what's your one message, man? What's your one message that why must you invest time, money, energy on your health? Why must someone do
Such
that?
Sachin, what I've come to know is after struggling of all this, when I had this peptic ulcer, right, I was in a very bad shape when
Hmm.
I joined. At that point of time, what I came to understand in myself is health is everything. You may have money or anything. If health is not good, then it is not worth of anything. So the thing is, you have uh, what I can say is you invest on your health so that you don't need to invest on any other things later on.
Makes sense. So you invest on
So
your health so that you enjoy your investments.
yeah,
Right?
so health there's a pro great health is wealth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
Uh,
truly
s-
realize it now.
yeah, I can realize it, Sachin. On that.
Or maybe it's like this, which is investing on health and wellness is going to pay you dividends and benefits, which in turn helps you to invest in other areas of your life and focus on other areas of your life.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
exactly.
that's correct.
Exactly. That's what you're realizing. More
Yeah,
power to you, Naveen, and
yeah,
you know, uh, keep staying consistent, staying committed, staying connected, and keep taking those actions. I mean, anyone who's watching this, we want to like get help from me and or my complete team. There would be a link below in the description of this video. You can click that, check out the details, and ask for help. Thank you, Naveen. More power
thanks,
to you.
Sachin. Thank you,
More
Sachin.
power to you, Naveen.
Thanks, Rick.
So happy.